All parties Hurriyat conference leaders have demanded immediate release of all Kashmiri political detainees lodged in different jails of India and occupied Jammu and Kashmir. APHC leaders, including Zamruda Habib, Jamid Mir, and Dr. Musayab, in their statements issued in Srinagar, deplored that hundreds of Hurriyat leaders and activists have been stuffed in overcrowded prisons, while they are deprived from basic amenities. They appealed to the international community and human rights bodies to impress upon the Modi regime to immediately release Kashmiri political detainees, including all parties Hurriyat Conference Chairman Masarrat Alam Butt, Muhammad Yasin Malik, Shabir Ahmad Shah, and Asiya Indrabi. The APHC leaders paid glowing tribute to the liberation leader S. Hamid Vani on the eve of his 24th martyrdom anniversary. Indian forces had arrested S. Hamid Vani on April 18th in 1998 in Saura area of Srinagar and killed him in custody. Senior Hurriyat leader Aga Sayyid Hassan al-Moswi al-Safi, addressing a function organized in connection with the birthday of Hazrat Imam Hassan Raziyallahu Anha, the grandson of Holy Prophet, peace be upon him, in Budgam, stressed unity among ranks and files of the Kashmiri people. Chairman Pasbani Hurriyat Jammu and Kashmir, Uzair Ahmed Ghazali, has appealed to the United Nations to stop India on the forced settlements of Indian citizens in the disputed area illegally occupied by India. In a statement issued in Muzaffarabad on Sunday, he said that Indian government has issued several domiciles to non-state residents in the disputed area to illegally convert the local population into minority. Meanwhile, at least 6 policemen were injured in a stone pelting incident in Birwa area, Budgam district today. On the other hand, a joint team of India's dreaded National Investigation Agency (NIA) and the newly constituted State Investigation Agency (SIA) raided the office and residence of the jailed journalist Fahad Shah in Srinagar. Slapped with Black Law Public Safety Act on the charge of posting pictures of fake encounter victims on social media, Fahad Shah is presently lodged in Kupwara jail. The Concerned Citizens Group (CCG), a civil society group led by Indian former External Affairs Minister Yashwant Sinha, has said that the official promotion of the film, The Kashmir Files, evoked strong sentiments in the Kashmir Valley. The CCG report, prepared after a visit to Kashmir, said that the movie had made the lives of the remaining Pandits unsafe. It said that the film had been made to weaponize the sufferings of Kashmiri Pandits and market their pain for possible electoral dividends.